Hey everybody, got a new amp today in the mail. It's a very special amp. Very excited to unbox this for you guys. Little hint about what it might be. If anyone knows the name Ty Tabor, that's your hint, okay? Let's get started unboxing this. Guys, the Lab Series L5, the amp that Ty Tabor from King's X used on the first couple King's X albums. If you've ever heard any of those King's X albums, you know that they have a super unique sound. The amp, one of the tricks to this amp is that it actually has a built-in compressor, and the other element of his sound was that he was using a Fender Elite Strat with active pickups actually. So very excited to plug this thing, get this thing roaring, and look for a King's X song tutorial in the next couple days, alright? Thanks a lot, guys.